Guruji, whatever you have said is all right, but it seems very difficult to remember 24/7 Krishna. And as you have said, ignorance. Quite often, people who are reading Bhagavad Gita regularly, they may feel that they have the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, but actually, the question is whether they have really understood the Bhagavad Gita well. That remains a question mark. So they may again be under the influence of Maya and ignorance and may commit something which is tamoguni actually, although they are reading the Bhagavad Gita. So my question is ki this is a very big problem. How to ensure this, that we always perform not at least the tamoguna activities.
You are very much true, Prabhu. You are very much true, because Maya is so powerful, and in this world, we will be most of the time will come under the control of the modes of nature. So that's why we discussed in the past also. This progress will take many lifetimes. So whatever you said is a generalized statement. It is not applicable for everyone. So in common, in general, when you say it looks like it's applicable, but there are great devotees, when they get this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, they make so much progress. They devote everything to Krishna, they dedicate. So that's why Krishna is saying that it is all 1 in 1,000, and even 1 in that 1,000, Manushyanam sagasresu kaschit yatati siddhe, yatatam api siddhanam kaschin mam veti tattvadagam. All these things are very rare. So that's why Krishna said that samahatma sudurlabhaga, such great souls are very rare. So bahunam janmanam. So it is not going to happen in this life itself, Prabhu. Whatever you are saying, how we can do like that. So we can do like that only if we have the complete knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Means we follow Bhagavad Gita word to word. That is the main thing. Everything word to word, Bhagavad Gita. So that's going to take many births times, many births. Bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan mam pravattate. Vasudevam sarvamiti samahatma sudurlabha. But just because we are not able to do that 24/7, so that doesn't mean that we are not in that path. We are making, so we believe in Krishna. The first thing here we need to understand, all of us, we are sitting here, every day we are coming and studying Bhagavad Gita. So that means we believe in Krishna, we believe in Bhagavad Gita. That's one thing is for sure, nobody can deny that fact. So Krishna is saying that if you believe in this Bhagavad Gita, then you are going to get this knowledge. Then eventually we are going to get the peace of mind, ultimate peace of mind. Jnanam labdva param santim. So that way, your question is that how to do that, how to get rid of all these things. That means we need to engage ourselves in Krishna's service. That is the main thing. So as long as we are engaging ourselves in Krishna's service, then we will not come under the attack of these modes of nature. So if we deviate from there, so then immediately we will be forced by Maya. So that way, this, for example, the service of teaching Bhagavad Gita, studying Bhagavad Gita, spreading Krishna's message, all those things, we just do it and leave everything to Krishna. And Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita, because we believe in Bhagavad Gita, correct? When we believe in Bhagavad Gita, we believe in fully. So Krishna is saying that Saddhavan labhate jnanam tatparaga samyate indriyagam. So he will be able to control the senses with the knowledge. So that way, Krishna is there in our heart. Krishna knows everything, Prabhu. So we will depend on Krishna. And only Samahatma Sudurlabha, such great souls are very rare. But for your question of how to do that is mainly spread this message. That is the main thing. Engage in Krishna's service all the time. So that's the main thing. So if you are not able to do, then do this. So in the 12th chapter, Krishna is telling very clearly all these things, Prabhu. You always think of me 24/7, you think of me only. That's what Krishna says. If you can't do that, then at least you practice doing that. Then if you can't practice doing that, at least engage in direct service to me. So directly serve me. If you are not able to do that, at least you give up the results of your activities. So like that Krishna is giving us, Prabhu. Every devotee is in different levels, depending upon what we are doing right now. So our priorities. So we need to, with the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, we need to prioritize everything and do everything for Krishna. And depending on Krishna's mercy, we will be able to achieve. It will take time. It will take many lifetimes also. But we are on the right path. So that is the main point. Do you understand?